Hey friends, if you wish to fix screen dims, the issue is the screen dims while playing games on full screen mode on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I'll give a very simple solution to it. Just plug in the power cable. Games require a lot of system resources, including a lot of power, and the battery may be insufficient for that. So the best option is to simply attach the power cable. The next solution is to update the display drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one, select Update Driver. Right click on the second one, select Update Driver. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then finally restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.